If you're serious about mastering the Bansuri or any flute, you know it's not just about playing the right notes, it's about refining the core skills that make your sound resonate with purity and expression. In today's video, we will be focusing on 3 essential things that you must give your attention to if you want to truly master your flute playing. Breathing at the correct time, blowing air with control, and fingering. I will divide this topic into 3 parts and create 3 videos to talk about each topic so you won't get bored by watching this video. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about breathing at the correct time. Breathing might seem like a natural process, but when it comes to playing the flute, it becomes an art form. You need to control your breath to ensure smooth and seamless transitions between notes, as well as to maintain a consistent tone. The right breath allows you to play without interruption, avoid unnecessary gasping, and ensure that the airflow remains constant. You can do these things to practice your breathing. 1. Diaphragmatic breathing. Focus on breathing deeply into your diaphragm. Place one hand on your stomach and breathe in deeply so your stomach expands. This will ensure you are using your full lung capacity for sustained notes. 2. Breathing exercises. Before picking up your flute, spend 5 to 10 minutes doing deep breathing exercises. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and exhale for 4 counts. This will help you maintain control of your breath. 3. Breath control with long tones. Play long, sustained notes, making sure you take a deep breath before each one. Challenge yourself by gradually increasing the length of each note without wavering in your breath. So, in next video, let's talk about blowing air with control. So don't forget to subscribe to catch the next video. Thank you so much for watching.